Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Top Tech and Investing here, back today with another video. How are y'all doing today, baby? I hope your day is going absolutely beautiful, amazing. But let's just dive right in, baby. So on the week, I'm up 50.93%. God damn, that's pretty astounding. $562. We started the week at 1,100, rapidly increasing. A little too fast. I'm getting a little shaky. We'll talk about that later with one specific option. So yeah, shaky. I started at 1,100. Quickly gained, especially on Friday, November 13th. Boom, and we're up to 1,600. It's crazy. It's insane. But let's get right in. My main money maker this week was NIO. NIO, god damn, I don't even know what to say. NIO is insane. So I sold my contract on Thursday for $249. The $50 call that I was holding, I bought it for $153. Ooh, when you look back, you always wish that you bought more contracts or you bought less. It's very easy to do that, as you can see. Like, nobody can really tell the future. So I bought it at $153, and the $50 call hit $8. That would have been a huge gain of more than $600. That would have been insane if I sold that at the peak. But so I bought it at $153, sold it at $249. I was just gonna take my $96 gain, and I was fine, and I was out, right? So then Friday, it shoots up to NIO shoots up. The price after I was just 43.66, but it shoots up to $54. Insane! It's up more than 5%, more than $5 pre-market, 11%, almost 12% pre-market. It's insane. It shoots up, and everybody's like, what? It's going crazy. It had a lot of momentum riding, and then it started to dip. It started to dip slowly, kind of level out. And then Citron Research came out and pulled the rug on NIO, as I see here. So I read through Citron, the short seller report, and after reading it, it's really groundless. But I'm gonna explain why. So Citron, I read through it, and they said that NIO can never be justified. The valuation can never be justified. Does that sound biased to you, right? When somebody says it can never be justified, never is a extremely strong word in my book. If they said that the valuation cannot be justified at this price, I understand. The sales numbers, the PE ratio is just completely through the roof. But if we go down here, anyone buying NIO stock is not buying its company or its prospects. Rather, you are buying three letters that move on a screen. I mean, to me that sounds extremely biased, right? Because NIO has a lot of good prospects. I mean, its battery as a service in the tight cities like in China, where most people live in apartments. I feel like it's more convenient. You switch out your battery in 3 to 7 minutes, a lot faster than Tesla. It's way faster than charging, where people in China, they don't really have their own house. They can't really just charge it willy-nilly anytime they want. So you just go, when you're trying to get out to work, you just switch the battery out, and boom, it's full. So the short seller report, I read it. It's really groundless. Most of it is based on Tesla Model Y just reducing its cutting back its price. But China did release was it a tax? I don't know, but they released a price deduction of some sort on electric vehicles that have swappable batteries. So the Chinese government is favoring NIO a bit here. So that's why I believe that they will succeed, but that's not the only thing. I believe that their prospects, their future with Li Bin, or William Li, their CEO, is extremely strong. But that's just, and then after they released that, it just came crashing down from plus 12% all the way to down 15%. Jeez. So luckily, I saw this. I was in school, so I kind of missed this whole midday action. I just saw it at 54, and I was like, oh, if it hits 60, I'm solid. I got a debit spread. I got my shares riding on this. I'm solid. I'm just going to leave it alone. And then I come back, and then it's 44, 43, 42, and I'm like, huh? Like, am I reading this right? And then it dipped to 41, and then I was like, all right, I'm done. I bought a call, the $50 call for $253. That same day, I leveled off, or it got almost back in the positive, as I knew it would, because I was like, this is completely oversold. I mean, minus 15% in the same day. Are you kidding me? That's wild. So I bought in around, when it reached 253. I'm up 73. No, if we go back to Robinhood, $75. I'm up on the contract already. The NIO $50 call, I'm up $75 on it. I should have sold out to lock in profits. As if we look at the NIO $50 call, if we look at the Greeks, theta is negative 0.063. No, 0.36. That's insane. That means I lose $36 for every day that it's not moving. So over the weekend, I basically lost $72 for it just sitting there. So if NIO stays at 43.66, completely flat, I'll lose $72. That's insane. Theta is extremely high. Implied volatility is jacked up like to the roof, 200%. Jesus. Implied volatility is nuts. I mean, 90K volume, that's insane as well. So there's a lot riding on NIO's earnings this Tuesday after hours. It's going to be absolutely crazy. So if we look at JD has their earnings coming up. I bought 2 contracts, $34 a piece. Yeah, $34 a piece, about 2 contracts. They have earnings. I think that they did really good, as they're like with Alibaba, right? So I believe that they're really gonna have really good sales this quarter. So I don't really know too much about them. It's kind of a speculative play. I'm not really too trusting on it. If it pops, they did beat in Q2, so Q3 I'm expecting a bigger pop. So I'm just kind of a speculative play. I'm not really doing too much research into it. Bought 2 contracts, whatever. If it pops, I might just collect the profit. What else did I buy? Yeah, the Zoom. If we look at the Zoom debit spread, Zoom is at 405. I bought the debit spread for 59. It's not the $510 and $520 call debit spread that I talked about in my Zoom how to play Zoom earnings last video, but I believe that this is still absolutely solid. It covers the earnings on December 4th. The earnings are on November 30th, I believe. So December 4th, I have plenty of time after that. So hopefully this spikes up to 100, 150, 200, and I'll sell out. I should be fine. Zoom went up to 430. It was at 430 and it just dipped down the whole day. So I'm not sure. Hopefully it rises back up. We still have about 2 weeks time for it to catch back up. So I'm really not worried. 2-3 weeks time for it to catch back up. So I'm really not worried. If you go back home, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully NIO goes up, man. I'm excited for this earnings this week. We're going to watch it. It's going to be insane. Fisker, I'm jumping around here. But Fisker, it went up. I'm finally in the green on these. Yeah, I went up 125% for today's return. The total return is only 52%. So I'm happy. Fisker went up a lot. All EV stocks are kind of hot, so they're all going up together. But I can't wait, baby. Anyways, I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see on the channel, baby. And make sure to use my Robinhood referral link down in the description below. Tell your mom, dad, grandpa, granny, your little brother upstairs chewing on the spoon to use my referral link, baby. I get a free stock. You get a free stock. They get a free stock. Everybody gets a free stock. I don't know, your brother wants to get into options trading. Tell him to watch my YouTube channel and use my referral link, baby. I love y'all. Thank you. We're almost at 25 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and peace. I'm out.